This is Evan from Decent Traders. I traded AAL this time. I did many trades this time. The reason for this is because the stock didn't go one direction. It didn't really go one direction. So here you see the stock, the pattern was like it didn't go down or it didn't go up. It just went down, up, whatever. So that's why I made many trades. And usually these kind of stock, I just lose on them, but I didn't lose that much. So the first trade I went in for a short. So when I first do a stock, you don't know if it has a trend or not. So usually stocks would have a trend, I guess, but this one didn't. So I took a short here after it broke the low. So this was my trend that I was going to catch if it would break down and keep on breaking. But instead I get out over here for a loss. So once it just goes back up, maybe it might touch, maybe test this EMA again or something. So I decide to just quickly get out here. And then my second trade here was initially the same idea, but this time, since it didn't think I would drop down anymore, it would go up. So my approach to this was because I see lower lows and higher highs. So this is like a textbook reversal thing. So I took a long here, but then I get shaken out here again. So here at this point, you can tell this stock either has no trend or the trend is just not yet established yet. So after this perfect shakeout here and then the squeeze comes up, maybe it might not have a trend anymore. So this is where I go in for a short, thinking that a trend probably just doesn't come at this point. So the stock might just even out here once it got pushed down from the EMA here like it did over here. So I went in for a short, and yeah, I guess shaken out once more by the market makers. Very smart of them for making me get in here and then shaking me out here, and then the drop comes after that. So finally, after these 3 losses, I made one good trade back. So I ended up buying here after this huge drop. So basically the point of this is that once a huge drop, it might go up just slightly, and then I could take a partial over here or just get all out for a scalp, I guess. But I guess I would have went for a scalp, but I kind of want to make my loss back. I shouldn't really have this mindset, but still I took it. I kind of got lucky, or it just, yeah, I probably just got lucky with this. And yeah, it did kind of go up again after this. Took 2 partials over here. I noticed that it got stopped by the SMA, but usually if I were a newer trader, I might partial here. But since I've gotten smarter and stuff, sometimes it backfires on you, but usually it won't. I try to take less partials, but this SMA did block it off, and I noticed that, so I got out over here. That was a smaller loss.